that we give them the information. They kind of can show us, what's possible, what's typically done. There's just so many opportunities out there for using Zoho, but you don't know what you don't know. And if you wanted to unlock the full power of it, you need to have someone who can actually see the capabilities of it and then connect that to what your existing business processes are, definitely.
True story. We tried to set up the automated tasks ourselves. I think I gave that a go for about half an hour. And then I realized this is a job for the professionals. It would probably take Antonio 10 minutes. Well, it would take me 8 hours to do. I would say if there's anything that you think Zoho can't do, or that you're feeling overwhelmed about trying to learn or figure out for yourself, just speak with your partner. Speak with your Smartmates partner, because they'll be able to answer it for you in 5 minutes. I love dealing with the team. I will say Bunga and Tony and the team are so positive. We haven't had a no yet. There's always a way to achieve what we're after.
Coding, everything that the Smartmates do is a professional attribute that they've got. There's no way that I can come up with the ideas like anybody else, but they put them ideas into reality. And there's no way I could do everything. Because it's, as I say, because our system's so bespoke, our presentation to clients are so bespoke, we engage Smartmates just to sort of configure the platform for us to suit our individual needs. Yeah, ultimately we sort of interacted with the team of Smartmates, told them what we were looking for, and they would nut out a solution and come back to us and say, hey, how about this? And 9 times out of 10, it was perfect.
We were developing it ourselves, so that got a little bit difficult. To try and run a procurement function and develop a system was probably beyond me.
We didn't have the time or the capability to do that in previous systems, so that's been really good for us.
We couldn't do it without a Zoho partner, just because we don't have the time and we don't have the expertise. This isn't our core knowledge. Having a partner that is, just an email away is critical for the success of the system and for the ongoing support. So yeah, it's a pretty essential, partnership we have with you guys, that we can continue to support the business as best we can.
We sort of said to Ram and Grace, can this happen? Can you just get this workflow to automate? I don't think really we've had anything where they've come back and said they can't do it. They've been really easy to work with. We give them what we need, we kind of outline it, send it in an email or catch up at a meeting, and typically what happens is by the next time we catch up, they're sort of running us through what they've done and how it works.
I could set up Zoho myself, but very quickly you realize the importance of having an expert by your side. It's easy to set up initially for very basic tasks. For our business, it was set up initially by us, and Smartmates, came to the rescue and helped undo the work we had done and really simplify everything for us and set it up in a way that could scale. Having Smartmates by our side, either to provide both technical solutions or just a sounding board, is vital. Having Smartmates there as a sounding board initially, really at the beginning stages of finding a solution, has been critical for us, because it's prevented us going down a path where we found, this app can't do this one little piece of what we really need. Having Smartmates there just providing that expert advice has really enabled us to scale and choose the right apps.
Sometimes Pivot will present to us a certain solution for what we're trying to achieve, and you think, I didn't even realize that was a possibility. And then it throws all these other ideas out there where you think, could we be doing something like this for this case or this case? I liken it to Lego. It's a little bit like you build it to what you want it to be. That's the sort of flexibility that we're looking for. Back to the Lego analogy, a brick's a brick, but you can turn it into whatever you want. Give it a new name, and it'll work perfectly.